Okay, the fourth part. Deckard Cain. Darkness spreading once again, and it seems I must ask the impossible of you. Will you help me collect this corrupted shards and save our world from oblivion?
It was once my people's sacred charge to guard the heart of creation. We failed at that task. To be given a chance at redemption like this, how could I refuse?
From the depths of my heart, thank you, friend. Before you leave, I have a few gifts for you. The first of which lies here, on the altar. Well, it may be simple. A good map is of vital importance. It will surely aid you upon your travels. Take the world map. My computer's very slow.
This is sanctuary. To protect it, you must cross many lands where forgotten evils linger. Yet you must go without fear into the heart of the unknown. This burden falls to us. A chance to fight the darkness. To ensure our home's survival. For a new evil covets the world stone's power. If a shard falls into hell's clutches, our world will burn. Here, this portal scroll has been specially attuned. Once you have reclaimed the World Stone Shard from Ashwold, you can use that scroll to open a portal to Westmarch. There, we will find a means to destroy the shards forever.
Very well. I will return as quickly as I can.
I will meet you as soon as I am able.
Be cautious on your journey to Ashwold, my friend.
Open the codex to view the guide. Equip two magic items. Talk to blacksmith and salvage items. Alright.
help you with?
Well, this is how fast my laptop computer is. Alright, I will spare you waiting, and I will see you in a few minutes in the next video.